Very good morning to you all. It's indeed a pleasure being here with you this morning.
The mood was joyful and casual in the beginning as Rosy Akbar, the Minister for Women, Children and Poverty Alleviation, opened the meeting of the Interagency Taskforce on Elimination of Violence against Women and Children on Tuesday. But the Minister had something more serious on her mind this morning.
We need to admit it as a national shame. The growing violence against women and girls is a national shame.
More than 750 new cases of domestic violence has been reported just this year, and numbers show that 64% of Fijian women has been a victim of violence.
Fiji, which is basically increasing by the day.
And those figures has made an impact on the minister.
That gives us the urgency to ensure that we have a platform where we can share knowledge and experiences. And the purpose of this task force is to share knowledge across all agencies and stakeholders and come up with strategies to ensure that we work towards the elimination of violence against women and girls in Fiji.
The Interagency Taskforce consists of representatives from the government, justice and NGOs. Tuesday's meeting was the third of this year, and now the minister wants to see progress.
Many a times we see, though we walk for the same course, we walk in different directions. Maybe that time has gone. We really need to come together as one. It's not that we meet up in this room and then we walk out of the room, we have different agendas. It's not going to work. We need to be accountable, we need to be transparent, and we need to be committed to this course.
The meeting focused on the zero-tolerance violence-free communities and strengthening the cooperation with the police force and the parliament.
This issue is generating a lot of ideas, a lot of debates, and the public is crying out for leadership on this issue.
And having the minister sit in on the task force meeting does make a difference.
Yes, I believe that has impacted on how we in the interagency representative work, and I believe that her being there all the time for us, it shows a lot of support.
Support is coming in from Australia and United Nations Development Programme as well. On Wednesday, the Ministry for Women, Children and Poverty Alleviation signed a bilateral agreement with the two, and one of the goals of the agreement is to combat violence against women.
We believe that violence against women is a multifaceted issue. It touches on political leadership issues, it touches on economic empowerment issues and social issues. So we believe that everything we do, we need to factor in gender equality as a key objective of all of our activities.
And also the better planning for protecting the vulnerable population, including the women who are vulnerable against such violence, will be increased.